What's up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. So happy new year to you all and welcome to 2022. So this is gonna be my very first video of the year 2022, and I'm so excited to start this journey as early as possible. So today is basically 2nd of January. So I tried as much as possible to put out all the content that I filmed in 2021. As much as I really tried, okay? You guys know I really tried, but it's remaining only one video that I'm gonna post, which was last year's video, okay? So if I post that, then I'm done with 2021 video. Then we move over to this one, okay? So yes, and I pray that this year is gonna be the best year. I have many things on my mind to do in this channel this year, okay? Like moving my channel to the next level and many more and all of that. So that's basically our plan into this year. So I pray, help me God. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I take down my braids. So basically I did this hair on the 23rd of November, and which is about a month plus, okay? So I'm gonna be taking it down in this video because it might be helpful to someone out there who did braid and wanted to take it down, and he or she might find this video very helpful to take his or her own braid down. So that's basically what we are going to be doing in today's video. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. You guys see this hair? I've been rocking this blue hair for about a month plus now, okay? The thing there is that is very long. It's long. I did it by myself, okay? I braided it by myself, and the one mistake I did was that I didn't record it when I was braiding it. So after I've gone half, I remember that I have to put this, but I said okay, I must put where I was losing the hair for you guys to see, okay? So I'm gonna start chopping it down, like cut it from the length and where my hair stopped. So if you do long braid like this, just cut it from the place, from the end of your hair. Don't even start from the end of the braid to start losing it, because that will take you 1 year to finish. So you just have to cut it from the end of your hair like this, okay? So this is how it should be when you finally cut them. So but just be careful so that you don't end up cutting your own hair. I'm trying as much as possible not to cut my own hair, because you can't even imagine me making this hair, reaching this leg and end up cutting it. And one thing I like mostly about this braid that I did was that the body is strong, okay? I like the way the body is. It didn't spoil, just that I think it's a last year property, so I have to remove it. So before we go into any tutorial for this year, we must first of all start with cleanup. I'm gonna post out the step-by-step cleanup, okay? So first of all, let's take down the hair, the 2021 hair. Then that's the first movement we're gonna be doing for this year before we begin to go into the details of, you know, further things. So, oh my God, my hair is growing. My hair is growing. So guys, I'm not even fast because I have my nails on, okay? So if you are team nails, you know that it's a little difficult when you are losing your hair. If I'm not with my nails, God knows, this won't even take me longer than 10 to 15 minutes to lose. I think I'm done with the ones I've already cut. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm done with the one I've already cut. So let's move over to part 2, okay? like I said, if you are cutting it, just make sure you are doing it far away from your natural hair. Oh, I heard a little sound and I was like, am I cutting my hair? I was able to know the length of my hair because I'm the one who made it. I think we don't have any longer hair again here. Over to start getting them off. I'm almost there, sir. Oh my god. Just look at this. So this my hair is I started this hair journey in July 11, okay? 11th of July, that's when I started this journey of my hair, and this is 6 months. On the 11th of this month, it's gonna be 6 months old. So this is the last one I'm losing now. Yeah, so this is how all the hair is. I'm done losing all of them, so I'm gonna go ahead with my brush. I haven't even come up with the idea of the kind of hair I'm gonna make next, okay? So this is the amount of breakage I got from my hair. Anyway, so what can I do? There is nothing I can do. Yeah, guys. I'm so excited that my hair is almost packing. Don't worry, don't say anything. Yes, we're getting there. So, and yeah, you guys, that's how I take down my braid. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe in the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up, guys, and to my next video. Bye.